In this video, we're going to show you how to turn Obsidian into a task manager. While Obsidian is primarily known as a note-taking and knowledge management application, it can also be transformed into a powerful task management system. By combining notes, tasks, projects, and planning tools in one place, you can create a centralized workspace for managing your responsibilities. Whether you're tracking work assignments, personal goals, study schedules, content creation plans, or long-term projects, using Obsidian as a task manager can help keep everything organized and connected. However, many users only use Obsidian for note-taking and overlook its ability to manage tasks effectively. Without a structured system, tasks can become scattered across different notes, making them difficult to track and prioritize. The good news is that Obsidian provides flexible features that allow you to build a task management workflow that fits your specific needs. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to turn Obsidian into a task manager and create a more organized productivity system. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a dedicated area for managing tasks. Many users create folders for projects, daily planning, and task management. Next, create a master task note where you'll track important tasks and responsibilities. To add a task, type a dash followed by empty square brackets and a space. Then enter the task description. Obsidian will automatically recognize it as a checklist item. Now, organize your tasks into categories. For example, you might create sections for work, personal, school, clients, or ongoing projects. This makes it easier to review and prioritize responsibilities. Next, create project notes for larger initiatives. Within each project note, add the tasks associated with that project. This allows project information and action items to remain connected. You can also use tags to classify tasks by priority, status, department, or project type. Another useful technique is creating daily notes, where you collect the tasks you plan to complete each day. This helps you focus on immediate priorities while maintaining visibility of long-term goals. You can further enhance your workflow by linking tasks to meeting notes, research documents, and project plans. This creates a connected productivity system where information is easy to access. Many users also install task-related plugins that provide advanced features such as due dates, recurring tasks, task filtering, and task dashboards. These tools can make Obsidian function even more like a dedicated task management platform. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a dedicated task management structure within your vault. Second, organize tasks using checklists, categories, projects, and tags. And third, connect tasks to related notes and workflows throughout your vault. Remember that an effective task manager is more than a simple checklist. It's a system that helps you organize priorities, track progress, and stay focused on important work. Using Obsidian as a task manager allows you to combine tasks, notes, projects, and knowledge management in a single environment. This is especially useful for students, professionals, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and anyone managing multiple responsibilities. Taking a little time to build a structured task management workflow today can improve productivity and make it easier to stay organized in the future. And that's how to turn Obsidian into a task manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.